What's up? It's Chiquita Braids. In this video, I'll be braiding my little angel's hair into a ponytail. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it really helps me to grow here on YouTube. Okay, first thing first, I want to go ahead and give her hair a really good blowout so that it's easy for me to braid. And I'm just using this, it's kind of like an argan oil spray to kind of moisturize her hair a little bit. And it smells really good. Like, girl. If you are one of those people that's like, oh my God, it's too much heat. I only apply heat to my kids' hair maybe like once a month or once every 2 months. Giving the hair a good blowout really makes it easy to comb through and braid. When I section her hair, specifically her hair, I have to braid it down because if I walk away, by the time I come back, it'll be like a whole different something. So with her, I want to make sure that everything is out of her way and untouchable because I'll have to start all over again. Okay, now personally, I braid my kids' hair small because I leave it in for a long time. Like I would leave their braids in for maybe a month the longest. And no, I'm not braiding her hair tight. This is her first time wearing beads, having beads in her hair, so that's why she's looking at the beads like, oh my god, what is this? Alright, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you in my next video.